Hello friends, welcome to my channel Patra Tutorial. Today I am going to start a new lecture series of data structure. This is the first video of this lecture series. So I'll start from very basics. If you know basic C programming concept, then you can easily understand what is data structure and each and every concept of data structure. So let's start with the introduction to data structure. So before starting data structure, I would like to discuss briefly about what is data, what is information, and what is data type, right? So in our everyday life, we are using very frequently that word called data, like keep your data safely, or don't remove that data from your mobile, or transfer those data to me, like so we are using that word called data every day. But can you tell me what is data and what is information? What is the difference between data and information? So the word data is derived from the word called datum, okay, which means fact. Datum means fact. Second point is data means raw facts and figures which doesn't have any meaning. That means what? Let me give one example. Suppose I am writing like this and I am asking you what is this, what will be your answer? And I am writing like this, and what is your answer? Tell me. If I ask what is this, what will be your answer, and what is this, what will be your answer? You can say like this is 10, right? But I don't know what is 10. If I ask you what is this, you can say this is MKP, right? But I don't know what is MKP, what is the meaning of MKP, okay? But instead of writing like this, if I write like 10 is my room number, and instead of this, if I write like MKP is my name, okay? And if I ask you what is 10 now, what will be your answer? This is your room number, right? And if I ask what is this now, you can easily say this is my name, okay? So data doesn't have any meaning. That means this is data, this is data, this is data, but this is not meaningful. But this is meaningful, right? This sentence is meaningful. So this is what? This is called information. So information is nothing but collection of data with added meaning. It's called information. So I can write like this now: data, and by processing those data I can get some information, right? So that is what data means: raw facts and figure, and data doesn't have any meaning. Data is also called unprocessed information. This is what? This data doesn't have any meaning or any information, but once we process those data we will get some information, okay? So data must be interpreted by human or machine to derive its meaning. If we cannot derive any meaning from something, some symbols or raw facts, then this is not data. Data must be processed by human or machine, okay? So how many types of data you know? There are different types of data, right? Like numeric data, alphanumeric data, and text data, image data, audio data, or it can be video data also, okay? What is data types, right? So data type defines a set of values that a variable can store and set of operations that can be performed on a variable. So if I write like this, int x and x equal to a, can I write like this? This will give some error, right? But if I write like x equal to 10, then it will not give any error. So x is a variable in which I can store only integer type of data, okay? So that is what data types, okay? So in your C programming, how many data types you know? There are 5 different data types, right? C defines 5 different data types: character, integer, float, double, and void. This is very interesting one. I will discuss in your C lecture, okay? Now tell me what is data structure. Now we know what is data, what is information, what is data types. Now data structure. Data structure is a way of collecting and organizing data in such a way that we can perform operations on those data in an effective way. Okay. Second point is, a data structure is a particular way of organizing data in a computer so that it can be used efficiently. So computer is a huge area, right? Computer memory. So if you store your data randomly, then you cannot access them efficiently or quickly, right? You will take some time to search the data, and then only you can access. But if you store the data in your computer memory in an organized manner, then you can access those data very effectively, or in a very less time. Okay. So data structure, we'll be studying a different data structure like array, star, queue, linked list, graph, tree, and how we can store data in those data structure, how we can access, how we can manipulate those data. Okay. So we'll discuss one by one data structure in the subsequent videos. I think you have got some idea what is data, what is information, what is data types, and what is data structure. So data structure is basically a group of data elements that are put together under one name, and which defines a particular way of storing and organizing data in a computer so that it can be used efficiently, or it can be accessed efficiently or quickly. Okay. So we'll continue in the next video. Thank you.